Share the meal review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. When you see an app that says feed someone for just 80 cents, you might ask, is that really so cheap? That's exactly what the mobile giving app Benchtimeable app, Sherthamal Zero by the Entity Organisation World Food Programme, Zero promises and understanding the pricing is vital. Here's what they say. According to the app's FAQ, one meal costs about as 80 when you donate. Citron also, the site states as 80 to feed one child for a day. Citron so, when you donate 80, you're told that supports feeding someone in need for a day. What you get for your money, a straightforward, simple way to donate via smartphone. Transparency, you see meals shared, operations supported in the app. A reputable parent organisation, the WaySeatB, handling logistics. What you give up or should understand while 80 is the stated cost, actual costs of logistics, local distribution, shipping etc. may vary. Some donors note cost per meal may be higher. Citron if you're giving from India, currency conversion or local tax deductibility may affect the value or your motivation. Here's how to evaluate. 1. Think of the donation as a charitable contribution, not a purchase. The pricing is the donation amount. 2. Know that while 80 cents is the benchmark, some operations in crisis zones may cost more per meal, so your donation is pooled. 3. Check the app or website updates. How many meals shared so far? 250 million meals shared according to one page Citron. Most people get this wrong. They assume 80 cents guarantees exactly one plate of hot food in every case, but real-world costs may differ, and giving larger sums or recurring donations may lead to more impact. The surprising truth, the donation is small and accessible, yes, but the actual cost to deliver varies, and your donation supports a complex distribution network. In conclusion, if you want to make a simple, low-barrier charitable contribution, like seeing the meals shared counters, Share the Meal is a solid choice, but treat the 80-cent figure as an approximate benchmark, not a guaranteed fixed cost per plate everywhere. Whether you give once or monthly, it's about supporting a bigger mission. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, tap subscribe and we'll explore more impact-based platforms next time.